Networking is a very important aspect of every business. You need to build connections with people. It is imperative to spread the word of mouth about your abilities to prospective employers. Networking also improves your chances of bringing in more potential clients for your company. As a skill, it comes innate for some of them, and the rest acquire it over time. The personal relations that you build can really pay off and have a significant impact on your careers now and in the future. This video is the second part of how you need to build your network. If you haven't watched the first part, click on the link above. Number 1. Break the ice. The first thing to ease your interaction and connect with people is to break the ice. One of the best ways would be to introduce yourself. Avoiding small talk is a must. Small talk may save you from the moments of awkwardness after the first hi, but it really doesn't establish a firm connection, fails to provide valuable insights, and hinders knowledge sharing with others. One way to break the ice is by asking some personal questions which are not too probing, to make them feel more comfortable while talking to you. We recommend questions like, where are you from? What motivated you to choose your profession? What is your story? And what surprised you the most about your current job? Number 2. Non-work connect. Just breaking the ice is not enough to make someone remember you even after an event is over. You need to find a way to bond with other people. Interacting with others over non-work related stuff will help you stand out from the rest of the crowd. While networking, there are going to be times where you meet people from different backgrounds and lifestyles. Instead of going the traditional way and asking how they are doing, ask about their hobbies and passions. Find common non-work related interests which are enjoyed by both the parties and bond over them. For example, you can talk about cricket, food, space, or the environment. Research suggests that the more diverse ways in which we connect with another person, the deeper and faster we build relationships with them. Number 3. Become friends of friends. When you have to make new connections, the best way to do it is by building connections through friends of friends. Though the world may be a large place, it is small enough to meet and connect with everyone. All you need to do is to pull up your confidence and greet them openly. These people may be from different domains but would show a similar amount of interest to know you. They may reciprocate back with a kind gesture, and there it is, your first scope of pitching yourself in front of your potential network. This is where the importance of networking is seen. And if you can get connected to right people, you will find networking easy. So go out there and start networking. And always remember, networking is not who you know, it is who knows you. Enhance your networks and learn effective networking skills by enrolling in the Academy Plus program. At the Academy Plus Job Assured program, you get 100% assured job referrals and placements, one-on-one career counseling, placement assistance. Expetrons Academy Plus. Inspire success.